G'day guys, welcome back. Thought I'd go ahead and put another little video out. I didn't want to leave it too long in between videos. So as you can see, the VO is out of the booth. The last video we painted it. So since then I've dragged it out of the booth, I've put it in the sun, had a bit of a look at it, looked at the colour. Pretty impressed with it, looks really nice. So the colour on this car is factory Holden Madeira red. I've had a few people in the comments sort of discussing what colour it was. So that's the colour. I did do a little walk around of the car while it was out in the sun, so I'll add that into this video as well so you guys can have a bit of a look at it. So little update where we're at with it. Boot lid's ready to rock and roll. It's prepped, ready to go in the booth and be painted. The only thing left on the car is all the mouldings, bumpers, and all the front panels. So front panels I've got sitting over here. So I'll flip the camera around and show you what we're working with here and what we're going to do. So yeah, let's have a squiz. All right, so the guards on the car, I've got one up there. It's a bit hard to see, but on the wheel arch of the guard, it's all crushed in, so I'm not going to use that. The other guard was pretty much the same. So we've got two second-hand guards. Thankfully, the owner of this car has a few VLs and stripped a few of them before they were worth drug money. So he was able to drop off spare guards. Pretty sure we've got two bonnets as well, but I'm pretty sure the bonnet off the car was fairly good, but it's always good to have a bit of a selection. So we're going to use these two guards. We've got a second-hand nose cone there that's not the greatest. It does look like it's had a few hits in its time, but we'll get all that stripped off anyway and have a look at it. It might not be too bad once all the paint and the fillers out of it that I can tell that's in there. The mouldings, so obviously the guard one, two back doors, two front doors. The other guard moulding is on that guard up there. We're going to pull it off. So basically the next video, because this video I just wanted to be short and sweet, just to get another video out and keep you guys in the loop that are watching along at home. Just to let you know I haven't gone anywhere. So they're going to be paint stripped as well as that nose cone. So in the next video we are going to get that stripped, these guards stripped, back to bare metal. Then we're going to treat the metal. I'll go through all that if that's something that you just want to watch or learn about if you're unsure. So they'll be stripped, metal cleaned, epoxy primed, and then we'll move on to doing any repairs, but I don't think they're going to need much or if any repairs. I'm pretty sure they're pretty good. They're pretty straight. Paint's just shagged on them, so once that's all off, we'll clean them, get them into epoxy, and if they are all good, then we'll be able to rub the epoxy, get them into high fill primer, and obviously go through the stages and getting them painted. Moulds will all be sanded back and primed. These are pretty good. VR moulds are getting pretty hard to get now. A lot of the times you get them and they're snapped or they've got splits and cracks in them. Pretty sure these ones are pretty good. I've had a bit of a look at them. Nose cone, boot lid. So the other pieces, so all around the doors will get redone. I'll redo them in a satin black. The mirrors I've got to have a look at. Generally, as you know, they're just a raw plastic, but I'm not sure what the owner wants. He might want them to be painted. And then we've got these quarter window surrounds. So again, we've got, a few different sets there to go through. And then we've got all these moulds, which sit on the bumpers, and I've got to go through those as well. I think there's there's a new front bar in there, or centerpiece. So I've got to grab the old ends off the front bar, which is stashed away, and they'll be good to use with that front. So yeah, that's a little update. So basically what's going to happen is once I get everything stripped and primed and it's all on its way to being painted, I am going to start rubbing and polishing this car. So just to rub the little bit of fine peel that it's got, which, you know, all 2-pack paint has a slight little peel to it. Any, you know, dust spots and shit in the paint will get rubbed out, and I'll polish it up. That way, once I get all these done and painted, I'll just polish them off the car, especially the bonnet. You know, saves me, you know, having the guards and everything on the car and leaning over the guards to polish the bonnet. At least if everything's off, I can get it all polished up. And, you know, once it's all polished, fit it all up and it'll be good to go. So, I mean, I can talk about it in 5 minutes, but it obviously doesn't take 5 minutes to get it all done. But that's where we're at anyway. So I just thought I'd make another little video just to keep us in the loop and put another video out for you guys to watch. So as usual, if there's any queries or questions, let us know in the comments. So yeah, that's about it. That's where we're at. So all right, so that's where we're at on the VL project. I know nothing exciting happened in this video. It was more just an update just to keep you guys in the loop and let you know that I'm still here, haven't gone nowhere. Still going to be making videos. I'm definitely going to try and get them out quicker, whether it be I just film anything that I'm doing in here. I really didn't want to just make videos for the hell of it. I wanted to make videos that I think were, you know, good to watch or, you know, engaging, you know. But, you know, I do have other jobs that I do in between these big jobs. You know, I've got a tailgate over here. I've got 4 sets of wheels over there to paint. You know, I could film little things like that just to constantly put videos out, but I'm just not sure if, you know, people really want to watch that sort of stuff. But I'm hoping to change that and get videos out more frequently. So just an update video. I've had a few people reach out and ask how to get in contact with me. And I haven't been ignoring you guys that have asked. So please don't think that. It's just being that I work full time, I'm not here all the time. It takes me a bit longer to get through the jobs because obviously working full time, having a family and all that kind of thing, it takes up a lot of my time. So I do only do things in my shop after hours and on weekends when I'm able to. But if people do want to reach out to me, my business name is Kalani's Auto Finishing. So I do have social media, obviously, like everybody else. I've got an Instagram if you want to jump over there and give me a little cheeky follow and have a bit of a look on there, that'd be great. I do also have a Facebook page that I've neglected for probably 12 months, but I'm going to start posting things on there as well. So if you just want to jump on there and give me a like or whatever, that's up to you guys. Thanks to all the new subscribers, of course, and all the subscribers that have stuck around. It's much appreciated. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I won't ramble on. So I'll put the walk around video in and we'll leave it at that. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers. Sorry guys, I just had to quickly add something else after the walk around. I didn't realise the background noise. There was a bit of a domestic dispute going on, so my apologies for that if you could hear that. I didn't even realise that was going on when I filmed it. But anyway, hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.